Hi and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. I have a design team project to share for ASC Craft Supplies. I will link both of their online stores in the description box below, as well as their VIP Facebook group. And my coupon code is Michelle10 for 10% off any regular price purchases. And what I've created today is a folio, and I followed a tutorial on the Graphic 45 YouTube channel, so I'll link it in the description box below. And I used the Graphic 45 Sun-Kissed paper collection, and I used the 8x8. Love this paper. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the colors of the blue and the coral. And they have the cutest little girls on this paper. And on the front here, we have our little girl. And then I fussy cut and then pop dotted some of the paper. And let's see, I think you can see the pop dots if I turn it like that. But it's just a gorgeous collection. And like I said, these beautiful little girls. This reminds me of my granddaughter. She has blonde hair and blue eyes. So this is the front, and on the side here, and then on the back you can see all the adorable little girls. Just thought that was so cute and such a fun paper collection for summer. We'll open it like this, and then here we have the inside. I'll scoot this over here. On this side I used one of the cut-aparts, and then I have some of the tag, made some little tags to tuck in that. The paper I think is just stunning. And if you would go to, let's say, the Etsy store and she wouldn't have any, check the online store as well. And like I said, I'll have both of those linked. And then I use this really pretty sheer ribbon for my closure on the inside here. And I fussy cut this little girl out, and then, you know, added her to my little cluster here. But like I said, I just love the paper. I love coral. I think it's such a pretty color. And then with the navy, it just pops really nice. So we have this here. Whoops. Let's see there. Close that back up. And so we have this here. And once again, one of the cut parts. And I haven't glued that down yet, since I don't know what I'll be putting in here. And then if I put a picture rather, then I could tuck it underneath. So I've just left it like that, and then pull this down for the top, and they have this really cute like little belt loop, and they put one of the cut-aparts here, which I thought was really clever. So it just slides out, and then we can get to our waterfall. You can just see the gorgeous papers, and I love the one with the turtles. It's so pretty. And then we just have a strip here. But I love how they just cut the paper to, you know, fit the folio. There. Okay, so then we'll come back up, and then this slips down like this, and got this little cluster of paper here. It's always too pretty to cover up, but just so pretty. And then here we have the little children, a little tab, and then it opens up like this, and you have a little pocket. And here we have that really pretty coral and beige stripe. And I used one of the cut-aparts on the paper, and you can see here, so there's a pocket, and then I have this, and it just opens up like so. Make sure we see in the pocket, and then all the little border strips. So we'll open it up like this. Here we've got that gorgeous turtle paper, and then we have the little border strip with the turtles, and then the sand dollars in the background. And then, like I love this with the little girls on it. And so then we'll open it like so. And we have another tuck spot, and then the little girl there, and little photo mats. And then we have a place for another picture, and I just glued the edges down, so if I want to tuck a picture under, I'll be able to do that still. And it just closes like this, trying to, you know, always remember how to do it, and then like so. But I thought this was just a fun tutorial, and I had never seen a folio created like this, or I've missed it anyways, where she made the folio and then it just glued into the back of, you know, our back cover, and then the front wraps around. I just thought that was really fun. I'd love to hear your comments, and I hope everyone has a fabulous day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.